Guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make some money just for browsing the web. That's right, just browsing the web, and you can make money all the time in the background. It's a really unique feature, and it's all for 100% free, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. You can get this from anywhere and set it up really quick. Alrighty, it's all 100% free to do, and let's go ahead and get started on it. And first of all, what I like to do is invite those of you that are new to my videos or my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel anytime during the video, just think about it. If you feel like it, reach down there below and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos such as this one right here. Well, let's go ahead and get started on this. And also, anytime during the video that you feel like you're getting some value out of it, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would too. All right, thanks guys, appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get started on this. Ain't going to be a real long video, but it's really a unique way to make some. Well, you can make, it just depends on how much you use it. Actually, it's unlimited income. So let's come over here to this site right here, guys, and look at this right here. It's called the CryptoTab browser right here. Look up here in the address bar. It's CryptoTabbrowser.com. And you see here, this is called the world's first browser with built-in Bitcoin mining in the background, and I already have it installed on my computer, and I'll show you that here in just a moment. You can actually see it right down here. It's this little orange, looks like a Bitcoin right here. That's the crypto browser right there. Talk a little bit about it here. The world's first browser with built-in mining. CryptoTab is the youngest browser among all the major browsers in the world, and already more than 25 million users from more than 220 countries. Like I said, you can do this from anywhere, get this from anywhere in the world, and earn Bitcoin with us. Join the community of CryptoTab, the first and only browser in the world with built-in mining, no investments needed. Try it now and earn your first Bitcoin with CryptoTab browser, and you can do it on your Windows or your Macintosh OS, or you can also get it for your Android phone and your Apple iPhone as well. Alrighty guys, and I have a little video thing about it here, and you can learn more. And it's CryptoTab browser features. Guys, this is built on the Chromium platform here, which is the same as Google Chrome. It's fast. It is just like Google Chrome browser, and you can get all the extensions too. Familiar to everyone, with an additional built-in efficient mining mechanism and many improved features that allow you to simultaneously have a world-class web browser and a source of stable Bitcoin income. It says here, unique built-in mining algorithms. We have developed a one-of-a-kind mining algorithm allowing you to mine and earn Bitcoin on any available device, be it whether it's your phone or your PC. It sounds amazing, right? And then extra Bitcoin with an affiliate program. They do have an affiliate program here, and with this, and you can invite your friends and other people, and you'll get a portion of whatever they do. You'll get, because of them, you'll get more as well. Just like any affiliate program, people that sign up under you, you'll earn a portion from what they do. You're not getting their money, but they're paying you because they're your affiliate. So you'll get whatever they mine, you'll get a certain percentage added to your account because of that. Okay, so that's really cool. And then they got everyday payouts and no commissions. And it says check the payout journal, and they do have that. You can check that, and you can see that people are getting paid with this. There was a link right here a little bit ago, but I can't find it right now, but you can see that. And maybe we'll come across it here in a little bit. But personalize your browser with thousands of extensions. So all the extensions that you would put on Google Chrome, they're all available from the Chrome Web Store to put right into this browser as well. And then so you can browse extensions here. Multiply your earnings with what they call Cloud Boost. Now I've checked this. This is sort of a paid function here, and it'll allow you. I mean, it's really cheap, like $1.99 a month, something like that, to allow you to really boost up your earnings and give you more Bitcoin faster, that kind of thing. And it talks a little bit about it right here. It says you don't want to mine yourself, well, just invite your friends, like I said, to get extra profit. It's not necessary to mine yourself. Just join the affiliate program and get enormous benefits from referral fees. So like I was telling you a little bit ago, and you can see it's up to 10 referral levels. You can see right here all the way up to 10 levels. And there's a little bit about that there. Now, and you can earn Bitcoin with no investment there, it says. And then, like I said, pretty much. And they also have NFTs. You can even mine NFTs with this too. And it's a lot of different things that you can. They have like a farm, and they have NFTs you can get in on this. So there's even a way to make even more money, more Bitcoin with this particular browser here. And it talks about some news there. But and it comes over here and it talks a little bit more about the features of it here and 5 reasons to use. It says you earn while you're surfing the web. It says you activate your mining, then just sit, lean back, scroll the news feed, chatting on social media, or watching Netflix, or whatever you do just by surfing the web in the browser. You'll be earning Bitcoin in the background and so on. So it's the fastest built-in mining algorithm. And you can switch to the new browser in a click and enjoy all your favorite extensions and use a crypto tab on all your devices. So anyways, to see that browser, you can basically just come up here and click on download, and you can download it on your computer, or you can get it also for your phone. They have frequently asked questions and things. They also have a VPN that you can use and get even more Bitcoin using their VPN and their farm, and like I said, NFTs. So if we come over here, right here, I've already installed it onto my computer, and this is the crypto tab browser. You can see it looks just like Google Chrome. I mean, in fact, it is. It's built on the Google Chrome platform, Chromium OS, and you can see it right here. But so to see, once you download it and install it on your computer, you want to come right up here where you see my mouse is right here, and you want to activate you'll sign in with your either Google account or create an account, and you want to come up here and click on this and to activate your mining. As you can see right here, it's already mining Bitcoin for me now, just as I've just installed this a little bit ago, guys, and you can see that it is activating just by leaving it open, and I'm browsing the web, and I'm on the web, and it just continues to make that Bitcoin will just continue to roll up there as we go on. And that's how that works, guys. You want to sign in to your account, and you do that by right here and activate your account right here and your mining account, and you do that with your Google or your you can use Facebook account, you can create a local account, and so on and so forth. And they do they will send you a email to verify as well. Now you can also, they have this right here. You can see it as well here as this loads in. You can log in right here. Log into the crypto tab. You can do it with your Google, Facebook, Apple, Twitter, or I'm not sure what these are right here, but you can log in with those accounts as well. So if we click on here and I log in with my Google account here, and then we can see it allows you to see a little bit here. And if you have, this is where you see about your links for your affiliate links and so on and so forth. But where you really see it at is right over here when you click on this, like I showed you a moment ago, and you can see it that it is working right now as we speak here. And then there's other things down here. They got tips and news and things right here, guys. And that's all you do. You just leave it run in the background while you're browsing the web on your crypto tab browser. And that is how that works, guys. It's a really neat thing. You can just browse the web and be making money all at the same time as you're browsing on your crypto tab Chromium browser. Guys, that is how you can do that, and you can withdraw it. You can set up your withdrawal over here as well, and as you come on right here, you can see right here where you'll be able to withdraw it right here, and you'll probably want to have a wallet built in or have some sort of an exchange, because when you withdraw it, your Bitcoin is going to go to an exchange. Then you can exchange the Bitcoin for dollars or whatever currency you want with your exchange, like Coinbase or Uphold, or I mean, there's all kinds of them, like Kraken, and all kinds of exchanges that you can sign up for, which is free to sign up to, and you can cash out your Bitcoin that way whenever you want to. And you have to have, it's required to have at least a 0.0001, 5 zeros, I think it's 0.00001 to be able to withdraw, which is really, almost next to nothing without looking it up and checking that. It's not very much, and it won't take you long to get that amount that you can withdraw from your account as well, right here, and so on and so forth. So that's how you do that, guys. That is what I wanted to share with you today, guys, is how you can make money just for browsing the internet and mining in the background Bitcoin, and it's unlimited. You can just do it until your heart's content and withdraw easily to any kind of a crypto wallet or exchange. Alrighty, guys, if you like that video, you got some value out of this, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the little notification bell as well. Have any questions about the video or anything, just leave them down below in the comments section and I'll get back with you on that. And also, if you want to learn high ticket affiliate marketing, I have a free video presentation that you can watch. If you click down there in the top of my description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com. Click on that and come over and watch my free video presentation that'll show you how you can learn to become a high ticket affiliate marketer. Alrighty, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that. And here again, I'll see you in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money making video. You guys take care. And don't forget to watch these videos up here that you see that'll help you make money as well too anytime you want. Okay guys, I'll see you here in a couple of days. You guys take care. Bye bye now.